It's a very delicate issue to talk about age limits for plastic surgery, but who should decide how young is too young for operations like gynecomastia and also labiaplasty? Because these can really be life-changing operations. Dr. Gordon, I know that you've had some situations like that recently.
Right. I mean, I recently had a patient who was 16 years old who came in for a labiaplasty consult, but she came with her mom, who was very supportive. And she was just a young girl that had very enlarged labia minora. And like, she just didn't want to go out. She couldn't wear a bathing suit. She couldn't wear yoga pants. She couldn't participate in sports because functionally it was causing, urinary tract infections, hygiene issues, etc. And so, we had a long discussion with her mom, and then her dad came to the pre-op and decided that for her self-esteem, like, it was really the right thing to do. And it's not an age thing. It's as we've talked about all day, it's really about patient selection and doing the right thing by the patient. And I think at that age, like, that's when they're developing their self-esteem and their confidence, and it's an important part of that, to not feel deformed.
I don't think arbitrarily we should just be putting numbers for certain types of procedures, because I've also had patients, teenagers with large breasts, and have come in for breast reduction. So I think really these decisions need to be left in the hands of the experts, because we are going to find times where teenagers are good candidates for plastic surgery, and we really should be making the decisions with the patient and with the families, not a government agency or a state agency.
And it's all about, is it a functional issue, not just trying to look like a selfie.
Not just an aesthetic issue.
Exactly.
That's the important thing.
Yeah, I think that's a very, very important point, because I think if we're really on that road of, is this a functional issue, a large breast or a large labia, then I think, this is something reasonable to consider in a teenager.
And get the good advice. For more, you can check out theplasticsurgerychannel.com.